Bago pala kami nag-start ng aming gift giving mga guys, ay nag-draw lots muna kami. At yung mga nakalagay sa papel is mga numbers. Syempre nilagyan din namin yung mga gifts ng numbers para mabilis na yung pagkuha ng mga gifts. Kaya ayan, at excited na sila sa pagbunot. So every member of the family merong matatanggap at walang magpapapicture ng luhaan. At saka late na kami dito nag-start ng aming Christmas party kasi kumain muna kami. You know guys, food is life talaga. And since na nagmamadali na yung iba kasi uuwi pa sila, numpisa na namin itong pagbubunot para ma-distribute na rin yung mga gifts. Well, I think ang hindi pa nakabunot is si mother at saka si father. And habang nagbubunot kami dyan, syempre hindi mawawala yung music para maging lively naman itong aming Christmas party. Si Mahal ay nag-i-enjoy ng kanyang pagsasayaw habang nanonood sa TV. Ganon din ang lola, nag-i-enjoy din. Then after namin ma-set up lahat, nagumpisa na kaming mag-gift giving. Syempre meron kaming MC si Jingjing na napakatalino at napakabait. So binabasa niya yung numbers or yung mga numero sa mga gifts para ma-receive na namin at excited na kami kung ano yung laman ng mga gifts na mapupunta sa amin. So iniisa-isa yung pagtatawag ng mga numero na nakasulat sa gifts at ibibigay sa nakabunot ng numerong ito. So napakadaming gifts dyan and the others receive double or triple gifts in which they are truly deserve to have it. At ako dyan mga guys is I am expecting only one gift pero yung dumating sa akin is 3 gifts. I didn't expect Manang and Manoy that they are going to have a gift for me. And I have nothing to give to them kasi hindi ko talaga expect na bibigyan nila ako. But sige lang, there are more Christmas to come. Makakabawi din ako sa kanila. At hindi ko pa totally nabuksan yung gifts. So, i-upload ko lang dito sa vlog ko yung pag-unbox ko ng gift. Kaya see you guys on that vlog. So, ayan mga guys. At naka-receive ako ng second present. And I am very happy to receive it mga guys. So, marami pa yung gifts sa Christmas tree. Kaya marami pang mabibigyan. And I realized na maganda din sa feeling na mabigyan ng gift kasi there are people who love you and they give you importance. Even though it is small thing or either big thing, still it is appreciated. Kitang-kita talaga guys yung mga saya sa aming mukha, hindi talaga maipinta or hindi talaga maidrawing because of joy, togetherness of the family, and this is just only sometimes and not always. Kaya dapat lubos-lubusin din. So magandang ideya din tong naisip namin kasi gusto namin is enjoy yung lahat at syempre makapagbigay din ng gifts at makabanding din yung isa't isa. Kasi hindi naman ako dito guys palagi at minsan lang umuwi si Manang at saka si Manoy because of our work. Kaya masasabi kong minsan lang tong aming banding. And I don't even know if this thing that we are doing will happen again next year. But I am manifesting that this activity will happen again kasi enjoyable and syempre yung feeling na you are at the side of your parents, you can see them, touch them, hug them, and make them feel that you love them. And of course, nawiwili kami dito kay Mahal kasi bibong-bibo at palaging nakatawa sa amin every time na inuulit namin siya. And I received my third gift. Wow! Thank you so much talaga sa giver. And also, I have guesses kung ano yung laman ng mga regalo based sa paghawak ko ng mga presents na na-receive ko. At malapit nang maubos guys ang mga gifts. Kaunti na lang yung natitira mga guys. At matatapos na yung aming Christmas party. So after our Christmas party, syempre, balik kami sa kainan. Then yung iba naman is uuwi na kasi malayo pa ang kanilang pinanggalingan. At late na kami nag-start kasi mga guys, I think mga going 12 na yata yarn. So need dapat naming matapos para makauwi na yung iba. Kasi meron din silang mga asikasuhin. So bago pala mag-end itong vlog ko mga guys, I would like to thank my subscribers for watching my videos, for the unstinted support and viewing of my educational contents and other vlogs, including my TikTok dances. So, thank you talaga guys sa inyong panonood at pagsama sa aking mga vlogs. After maubos yung gift, syempre mag-o-open kami ng aming mga regalo to know what are the things inside the wrapper. And others can't wait to open their received gifts. O diba exciting mga guys? And sana maulit namin to next year kung nandito sila. But if not, kung sino lang siguro yung mga available. And this is also my first time to have a Christmas party in the house of my wife. So, dun sa amin is nag-exchange gift din kami. At masaya din yung kinalabasan ng aming gift giving doon. Alright guys, at paubos na naman yung mga gifts. So I think this is the time to end na. Again, thank you so much to all my subscribers for watching my videos. See you on my next vlog mga guys. Bye-bye!